Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can complain on Uber Eats. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So to do that, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to access your Uber Eats in your mobile phone or your laptop, wherever you prefer. Once you've accessed your Uber Eats, make sure you have signed in. Go ahead, get signed in right over there. Once you have done that, you're gonna go to the help center, where you will be able to go to the food damage or quality issue, where you will be able to apply or file a complaint on Uber Eats itself. As you can see, you can go ahead and add a picture of your food by tapping on this camera icon. This will automatically redirect you to the camera, and then you just have to click a picture of the complaint or regarding what you have. It can be a delayed, we can take a screenshot of that and upload as well. If you got the food damage itself, then you can click the picture of the food, and here over here you can add in regarding food, that food wasn't good or it was spoiled or something like that. So you can add in your particular query and then tap on submit. That's how you will be able to submit a complaint. Make sure to do the quite some time, like 2 3 more complaints, so your complaint can be the first one that they can look at once they start reviewing. So that's how you can file a complaint and get help. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.